Thank you for choosing the myQ Smart Garage Control. If your myQ hub is plugged in and none of the indicator lights are on, it's most likely the power source. Here are some quick and easy solutions that can help. Solution number 1. Does the outlet work? A simple way to test the outlet is to plug in a lamp or other corded device into the outlet. If there is no power, check the circuit breaker. Solution number 2. Do you need to replace your myQ hub? If the outlet has power and the hub light still won't come on, you will need to replace your myQ hub. To do this, visit myQ.com/support. Click Contact Us and send us an email describing your issue. We will ship you a replacement hub. Once you receive it, simply follow instructions for setup. Your myQ hub should now be powered up. The flashing blue indicator light means the hub is not connected, but is now ready for setup. If you're still having trouble with your myQ Smart Garage Control, be sure to look in your manual for further instructions or visit myQ.com/support.